Mary Elizabeth Truss is the leader of the Conservatives, the biggest party in Parliament. Truss was welcomed by Queen Elizabeth II, who made her the new Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. Due to occasional mobility problems, the Queen met with Truss at Balmoral Castle in Scotland. This is the first time in the Queen's reign that she has not met with a new Prime Minister at Buckingham Palace. Mary Elizabeth Truss is a British politician who was born on July 26, 1975. Since September 6, 2022, she has been Prime Minister of the United Kingdom and leader of the Conservative Party. She has been South West Norfolk's Member of Parliament, MP, since 2010. Truss worked in different cabinet offices under David Cameron, Theresa May, and Boris Johnson as Prime Minister. Truss went to Merton College in Oxford and was president of the Liberal Democrats at Oxford University. She got her degree in 1996 and then joined the Conservative Party. She worked at Shell, Cable and Wireless, and Reform. She was also the Deputy Director of Reform. After two failed attempts to get into the House of Commons, she was finally chosen as the MP for South West Norfolk in 2010. As a backbencher, she pushed for changes in a number of policy areas, such as childcare, math education, and the economy. She started the Free Enterprise Group of Conservative MPs and wrote or co-wrote a number of papers and books, such as After the Coalition, 2011, and Britannia Unchained, 2012. From 2012 to 2014, Truss was the Parliamentary Undersecretary of State for Childcare and Education. In 2014, Cameron put Truss in the Cabinet as Secretary of State for the Environment, Food, and Rural Affairs. During the 2016 referendum, she backed the Britain Stronger in Europe campaign, which wanted the UK to stay in the European Union. However, after the vote, she was a strong supporter of Brexit. After Cameron quit in July 2016, Truss was named Secretary of State for Justice and Lord Chancellor by May. She was the first woman to hold the position of Lord Chancellor in the office's 1,000-year history. After the general election in the UK in 2017, Truss was named Chief Secretary to the Treasury. After May stepped down as Conservative leader in 2019, Truss backed Johnson's bid to take over. After Johnson became Prime Minister, he put Truss in charge of international trade and made him the head of the Board of Trade. In September 2019, she also took on the job of Minister for Women and Equalities. In 2021, when Johnson changed the cabinet, he made her Foreign Secretary. In December 2021, she was named the government's top negotiator with the European Union and the UK chair of the EU-UK Partnership Council. After Johnson quit the government in the middle of a crisis, she won the Conservative Party leadership election in 2022 and set up the Truss ministry.